Hello everyone, it's MPX Autos in Sydney. James, how are you today? In this video, we would like to share the work that we already finished in one of the TOYOTA RAV4 2009. Everything is good. Already installed the new system with the new 9-inch frame, beautifully matching to the dash. Everything, and it works really nice. It already locked in beautifully, and yeah, the whole system just look exactly like factory install. And the steering wheel control, they're all working very well, and the new reverse camera installed right at the number plate area, and we can show where it is. So here is the new camera stay here, and it's already working very nice. And that is the high definition anti-glare super night vision reverse camera. Now the system here is the regular version, and we already get everything done. At this moment the phone actually stay around 10-meter distance, so it's good, and everything we fully connect, fully control, and the button here already get for the phone answer button assignment as well, so easy to control from the steering wheel. All set, all done, and ready to go. So hopefully you enjoyed this. And when we are talking about the regular one, it has AM, FM, it has wireless CarPlay, and also run wireless Android Auto. Beautiful. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed this one. See you then.